Welcome to the Programmer's Talk. Today we're going to see the interview questions and answers on HTML. The first question is, are the HTML tags and elements are the same thing? No, HTML elements are defined by the starting tag and may contain some content, and a closing tag is called as an element. And HTML elements or communicate with the browser how to represent the text and become HTML tags when enclosed within the angular brackets is called as a tag. So HTML tags and elements are not the same thing. Next, moving to the second question. What are the tags and attributes in HTML? Tags are the primary component of the HTML that defines how the content will be structured. Attributes are used along with the HTML tags to define the characteristics of an element. Basically, attribute is made up of the two parts, is a name and value. Here, class is the name of that attribute and primary is a value of an attribute we are assigning to the name. This is a graphical overview of an HTML markup syntax. Coming to the third question, what are the void elements in HTML? Is nothing but which do not have any closing tags is called as a void elements in HTML. The fourth question is, what is the advantage of collapsing the white space? In HTML, a blank space sequence of white space characters is treated as a single space because the browser collapses all multiple spaces into a single space character. This helps a developer to indent lines of text without worrying about the multiple spaces and maintain the readability and understandability of that code. The fifth question is, what are the different types of lists in HTML? Basically, the list in HTML are the three types is unordered list, ordered list and description list. What is the unordered list? Unordered list is used to a set of related items in a no particular order is called as an unordered list. Ordered list is in a specific order is called as an ordered list. Coming to the description list, it is used to display the name or value pairs such as terms and definitions is called as a description list. The sixth question is, what is the class attribute in HTML? The class attribute is used to specify the class name and for the HTML element, and multiple elements or access the same class value in that. It is mainly used to associated with the styles written in a style sheet with the HTML elements. This is all about the class attribute in HTML. The seventh question is, what is an anchor tag? Anchor tag in HTML is used to link between the two sessions or two different web pages or two different websites is called as an anchor tag. This is the basic structure for that, and here href is an attribute for anchor tag. It is used to identify the sessions in the document. The link is defined in the target attribute which is to be linked. The eighth question is, why do we use the required attribute in HTML? The required attribute is used in HTML to make the field mandatory. For example, if we take a form, in that text field is an empty, it sends an error message to the users and it's forced the user to fill that particular field to submit the form. Because of that, attribute is required. If the field is input, then it will throw a default error message. This is about the required attribute in HTML. And ninth question is, what is the marquee tag in HTML? This tag is used to scrolling the image or text up and down, left or right. This tag which is scrolled up is defined within the tag. The 10th question is, how can we create the hyperlink in HTML? Is nothing but an anchor tag. An anchor tag is used to create the hyperlinks. This creates a path between the two different HTML web pages. what are the different kinds of doc types available in HTML. In this, the three kinds of doc types are available in HTML. Is the three are strict doc type and transactional doc type, frame set doc type. These three are the HTML doc types. The 12th question is, why is the embedded tag is used in HTML? This is used to include a video or audio file in a HTML document. The source of audio or video file can be displayed by the web page. Coming to the what is an image page? This is the most important question. Every employer expects the applicant to know about this, and this has been one of the most commonly asked in HTML interview questions. And image maps let you link two different web pages within a single image, and it is represented with the map tag. This is all about the image map. Coming to the semantic elements, what are the semantic elements? Is nothing but which is describe the particular meaning to the browser is called as a semantic elements, which is nothing but form, table, article, figure. These are the semantic elements in HTML. Now moving to the last question is, explain the concept of web storage in HTML. What is the web storage? It helps in storing some of the statistical data in a local storage of the web browser. What is the use for this? We don't need to fetch from it a server every time when we need it. And this has a size limit based upon the different browsers. This helps in decreasing the load time and smooth the user's experience. We have two different types of web storages in a HTML file, is a local storage and session storage. Thank you for watching this video, and then part 2 will be on few days. Thank you.